So today it is Glock 26 with critical duty ammunition versus my wife's chuck roast. More chuck roast. Last one, bone shot of a chuck roast. Ooh. Got some pieces on this. There's a piece, and there's the only piece of bone left on this one. Thanks for watching.